What is going on, people? The first Fresh Till Death episode with the braces. Happy Merry Good Friday. Forget this. This is Fresh Till Death. Happy Irie Friday. I know there's a lot of people growing up that are just lazy and don't want to do nothing. They want to do as little bit of chores as possible. And parents, sometimes it is hard to make your kid clean up their room or wash the dishes. Sometimes you feel like you're carrying the whole world on your shoulder. Well, I have a quick fix solution for the kids out there that don't want to do no more chores, and for the parents out there that want all the chores done. Get a Jamaican grandma. But if you get a Jamaican grandma and you're a kid, of course at the beginning they'll be strict to make sure that you get all the chores done. But I found out that they only do that for a little while.
Dirty dancing in the moonlight. Oh, Leroy, you don't make your bed yet?
What are you talking about, Grandma? I made the bed.
Your bed is so wrinkled. What is that?
That's like a little wrinkle.
Make sure this bed is tidy or else. So him leave and never make his bed? I better do it. He's lucky I'm a loving grandma, or else I would have given him a pistol whip in his neck back.
And she goes ahead and does it. Same works with the dishes, same works with sweeping the step. Because I swear, Jamaican grandmas just love to do work.
I see no changes. All I see is racist faces. Oh! Is that the sink with the dishes that need to get washed? I love when they pile up so high. I just love to tackle them.
Like honestly, I think my grandma loves work so much that she'll purposely go and spill garbage all over the place just to clean it up. Now, I'm not advocating taking advantage of the elderly. The whole point is that if they're going to do it anyways, why not let them do it? I'm just saying, people. I'm just saying. Get a Jamaican grandma. Nah, you guys know I'm just playing around, right? Actually, you sound pretty serious. Now guys, taking advantage of old people is just wrong. And if you guys thought for 1 minute that you could do it, and you see guys, this was my mentality growing up, you know. Thought I could make my grandma just do everything. The dishes need to get washed, grandma will do it. The dirty, disgusting toilet bowl needs to get scrubbed. Oh, not me, grandma. And I had a real drastic change of mentality like 5 days ago, and I started seeing things in a clearer light. People, don't be broke up and lazy. If your mom tell you to spread your bed, spread the thing now. If you have to take out the garbage, take the thing out. You don't want your house to think. Big respects to Warren Louis Shane that requested this topic about kids and chores. Kids, man, do your blinking chores. So with all that said and done, I have a question for you people. What is one chore that you just hate doing? Let me know your thoughts and comments down in the boombox, people. And if you want a chance to win some FTD gear, or if you're just feeling extra irie, see if you can get this week's riddle. Until next time, I'm Leroy Sedman Kenta, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom. Oh. This is just a good Irie Friday, people. Just feeling good. Hope you is too. Yes, people, so we got even more things coming up. Keep doing what you guys are doing. Keep thumbsing up these videos. Thumbsing up, is that even a word? Continue to spread the love, sharing the videos. Fresh Till Death. We ain't going nowhere.